32 is not enough, so I definitely got to go down again.
Where's it coming from?
They're breathing. You know, fish breathe.
Don't be breathing under me.
Bro, they're breathing. How do you think that they literally breathe? Alright, y'all boys, so I had to downsize. I came in for the reinforcements, alright? So I'm coming to get, I got my HNY filter because I'm going to need it because the location I was at, the back of her was like really harsh lit. So I'm putting my ND filter on. And then on top of that, I'm going to be using my V1 flash on top of my camera to help me out a little bit with that. So yeah, so I'm literally going to use this right here to like help when it comes to help with the changing conditions of the light, because that's been a problem for me while I was over there. So I'm going to use that, and yeah, just get a few little shots like that because this is better. So
that's what
yeah, and things of that nature. So I put my phone on this bit, get a little BTS content. I'm gonna use my phone. Huh? What you talking about me? Pooped and didn't pick, girl. She talking about me, man. Y'all get her, please. Please get her. All right. So being this is our first time like kind of shooting on YouTube, I feel like we have to like kind of get comfortable. Me and her have shot before like multiple times, but I just like, you guys are wondering why it's so quiet, because like it takes time to get used to and comfortable within the shoot, and then after that everything else comes full circle. Look at our little homeboy. What's up, Gerald? All right, you wanted this space right here, or like probably like that, because like, I see the sun rays and shit. It's kind of cool, right? Or do you not want to be by the fish?
Oh, I can be by the fish. They're gonna move when I get over there.
Yeah, they're gonna be like, hey, come here, girl. Yeah, right there. Yeah, they're gonna move when I come. And them boys are like, they trying to find out. They're like, you know, like, who are you type shit. Like, this is my crib type shit. Yeah, that's good. All right, y'all boys, I'm putting on the POV rig. Trying to make sure that my camera can see everything. Y'all can see everything. Yep, y'all good. There we go. Make sure y'all boys got some good lighting. Guys, she steals everything from nature. Do not bring her out here.
I am nature.
She's like, everything's mine.
Do not touch stuff while I'm still in the water.
All right, bet. I'm gonna put that POV on. That bitch shooting on the POV. Sacrificial sacrifices and shit. All right, y'all boys, we got the POV. We got that POV rig on, man. The POV rig is on, goddammit. All right. The wrist strap is on because we're over water. Wrist strap dropping today at 12. I mean, by the time y'all see this video, it's already out. Yeah. All right, let's see. All right, so I'm at a negative stop with my lens filter. I'm leaving it all the way wide open. Hey, let me see. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. I'm going up on my shutter. Hold on, let me see. Up on my shutter. Up on my shutter. Hold on, let me see. I gotta go up even more, you guys, on my flash power because 32 is not enough, so I definitely gotta go down again.
Where's it coming from?
They're breathing. You know, fish breathe.
Don't be breathing under me.
Bro, they're breathing. They how do you think that they literally breathe?
Okay, but don't be under me. I just
Bro.
want to see where the fish are not. I don't want to stand on top of one of their bites.
Bro, you're in the water with fish and then go, yeah, I don't want to back everywhere. Go ahead. Go ahead, bro. 3, 2, 1, hold it. Yes, there we go. Guys, this filter is like snapping, no cap. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Eye contact. Yep, hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. 640 ISO. There you go. I was gonna say like get down. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that's cute. There we go. Yes, there we go. Hold it. Some seaweed. There you go. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Yes. One more. All right, turn to the back. Yep. Like that. Boom. Now down. Yep. And then looking over your right side. Like that. Yep. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Yep. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Yep. You in this damn smile. Put that right hand on your chest on the right side. Yep. Right there. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Look up and off. There you go. Yep. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Now look at me. Make some contact with me. Eye contact with me. Here. Hold it. One more. Look. 3, 2, 1. Bet. Now just freestyle and then we should be straight. Oh, that's cute. Cross your legs. Yep, like that. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, like that. Yeah. Come like right here in front of me. Come right here. There you go. Yeah. And then I look up. There you go. Yep. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yep. There you go. Hold it. 3, 2, 1. There you go. Yep. There you go, hold it. Hold it. One more. There you go, look at it. Look at 3, 2, 1. There you go, yep. Tilt to the side when like doing so, like to the side. Like, and put your hands to behind your back, yep, like that. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. There you go, 3, 2, 1. No,
you know that picture of
what
Drake
picture?
when he's in whiteface?
Yeah.
He's like,
yes, I seen it. That's how you feel every time you do that?
yeah.
There you go, yep. Look back and up at me right here. There you go, yep, hold it. Hold it. Hold it, yeah, it's like that. There you go. Hold it, don't move. Now come up. More and more and more. There you go, right there. The same exact thing again, a little bit. There you go. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, yep, hold it. Yeah, it's like that, I love that, I love that. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Out here stealing the animals.
I'm gonna put it to use.
Bet. They probably opened up and I don't know, the birds probably.
Because the stuff is not in it no more.
Honestly, probably the birds. The birds is the only thing that makes sense. Yeah, she wants the little fish, but she don't want to mess with the big fish.
When fishes flap, do all that flapping, that shit hurt. Oh no, open this one.
This is a great day, you guys. Look at all of this. Yeah. It's cute, man, you know what I'm saying? It's cute. All right, you guys, that was a nice little chill vibe. Make sure to check her out. I'm gonna put her Instagram down below. She's like, she's not too like big on words and things of that nature, but yeah. So let me know if you guys want more content like this. Came out here for you guys. Got here really early, you guys. So yeah, we started out at 7, but we woke up even earlier. So yeah, I might keep the vlog going, maybe not. But if it ends right here, I love you guys, and we're out. Taxi. What is up, you guys? We're at my hometown, childhood, whatever you want to call it, camera store. But yeah, it's like a lot here, guys. See, I love coming in here. It's like it's always so quiet and nice, and they have like everything. They got the alien bees. They got the alien bees, all the different watts, bro. 640. Do y'all see that? It's insane. 320, 640. They got it all, bro. All the little old school vibes. They got it all, bro. They got it all. They got it all. These are all the other camera straps. If I ever need any backdrops, I definitely come in here. Last time I was in here, I got grape. And I got a white one, but I don't know where that one's at. It's like an off-white. It's like back there. It's like a little off-white color. I want one of those holders from H&Y, but I don't know if they're gonna like sponsor me on them or not. Like they may or may not give it to me. We got a slider. It's not motorized though. It's the same book bag that I got at the crib, but mine's is like the other one, the other Peak Design one. I love this book bag. I would take y'all to another camera store, but I don't really feel like going over there. I kind of just feel like going home. I really just want food, really, honestly. I feel like that's like really what it is. So I feel like I just want food. After that long little shoot, man. Go to the crib. I got food at the house that I just purchased that I could go eat. I don't need to be buying nothing, bro. It's just like you want to buy stuff because you're out and it's easier. It's the easier option, but it's not the more cost-efficient option. We're gonna go ahead and head to the crib. All right, you guys, we're headed to the post office right now. We just got a pack. We just got a sale. So our first sale on the camera strap, you guys. This is actually very monumental. I'm very happy going to do this because I really love this camera strap so much. So to be able to share it with you guys is very cool for me, and for this to be the very first person that purchased it is special for me, man. You know what I'm saying? It means a lot. So I'm really thankful for Nicholas for doing this. And we're gonna go ahead and go ship this off for him right now. And yeah. Up. We just pulled up. We just pulled up. This is a happy day for that boy Taxi. You know what I'm saying? Everybody out here shipping out the orders, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. We about to, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Big customer parking. Big park. Big door open. Big take the key out. Big ship off. Big send off. Yeah. Dropped off Nicholas's order. I ain't gonna lie. I added this into the vlog. It's from my phone, so the coloring is not gonna be the exact same as the other one. You know what I mean? As the vlogs and stuff. But I just wanted to show y'all that we got our order on the fly, bro. That was crazy. I just printed out the label, and yeah, bro, that was cool. thank you. Shout out to Nicholas, man. If you watch the channel, shout out to you, man, for purchasing, bro. I really do appreciate that. That's love, man. You guys are literally what keeps me going. Like, everything that I get from you guys is literally helping fuel me to create more content and to continue to like do the things that I love, you know what I'm saying? So I really appreciate you guys for really like, you know, investing into me as well and trusting me enough, and you know what I'm saying, to with your skill set, you know what I'm saying, trusting me with my information that I have for you and everything, you know what I mean? Like, I really appreciate that. It means the world to me for you guys to like, you know, believe in me so much, you know? Sometimes I don't believe in myself, but to know that you guys believe in me pushed me even further, you know what I mean? It pushed me harder, because like those days where you don't believe in yourself and then you get a comment and it's like, bro, like, we love you so much, bro, like, you know, you're the reason we're still going. And it's like, what? Like, what do you mean? I'm the reason? Like, what is that? What do you mean by that? It just keep me going, man. It keep me going. So I really love you guys. I appreciate y'all for that. It's lit. It's lit.
Hey man, say man, free my nigga Rich D, man. Watch bitch, don't watch me.